Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your keyboard backlight is not working, then watch this video to make it work again. So the first thing but obvious is to check if the keyboard comes with the backlight. So sometimes what happens is we purchase the keyboard thinking that it has a backlight, but we do not read the specifications at the back to see whether it actually has a backlight or not. So you need to check that. Now the second thing to do is check for the backlight switch. Now if the backlight switch is normally placed on the top of the keyboard, so if it is on, then it should be working, and if it is off, then switch it on. If it is on and then you have a keyboard with a backlight in the specifications as mentioned, then you need to update the keyboard drivers. For that you need to go to device manager and you need to look for the keyboards icon drop down, and you need to update the keyboard device. You need to right click and click on update driver. Do that for all the HID keyboards and restart the computer, and your backlight should start working again. If this too doesn't work, then the only other solution we have is to restart the system in a clean boot configuration, and we can do that by looking for system configuration in the search bar, clicking on system configuration, click on the services tab, and before we proceed we need to most importantly check this box of hide all Microsoft services. That is because if you disable any Microsoft service by accident, then your computer will be stuck in a reboot loop or restart loop, as it is not able to access a Microsoft service. So look for any third party app like Mozilla, McAfee, which you do not require on startup. Disable, and you click on disable all, apply, OK, and click on restart. And once the system restarts, your backlight should be lit again. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.